Let's introduce to LeeTop A206 Carrier Board for Nvidia Jetson NX Module. LeeTop Tech Jetson Xavier NX Subkit, Power-Efficient AI Edge Device Development System. Compact Jetson Xavier NX Module with cloud-native support operates at just 10 watt. Over 10x performance compared to Jetson TX2, enabling breakthrough products. Develop and test small form factor solutions with accurate, multimodal AI inference. Cognitive support transforms AI software development and deployment experience. Trained AI models from Nvidia NGC and Transfer Learning Toolkit for faster inference. Raised deployment allows flexible and seamless updates to Jetson devices. Supported by complete Nvidia software stack, including accelerated SDKs and tools. Ideal for various industries, manufacturing, logistics, retail, healthcare, and more. Jetson Xavier NX offers ease of development, rapid deployment, and a unique combination of form factor, performance, and power advantages for scalable solution.
Technical specifications is given below. Thank you for joining us on this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest from Tanna Techbiz. Together and stay connected.